Oh, you got to put the gear stick in neutral. No, that one, the high-low one. Pretty little Tafe. 45. Power steering. Lovely light steering. Oh yeah, the rear linkage. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, up. Yeah, that's it. Ideal yard scraping tractor. Right, try the PTO then, matey. Oh look, how the PTO works. Off. Right, turn it off then. That's it. What a weapon. The only thing that doesn't work is the handbrake. The foot brake does. That is good. Yeah, go on then, give it a little drive, mate. What are you doing? Don't run me over. Are you in high? Put that in high.
I put it in 1.
Right, that's 1, and then reverse is up there.
Ready?
Yeah.
I hit a loop.
Alright. Look at that. What a weapon. Plenty of life left in it for a bit of scraping. That's the brakes. You can do reverse now, you mate. Yeah. That's about it. Take 2750 plus VAT for this.